So we're in Clovis, California. We just finished installing a few items here. One of them is a cooktop gas. We did the connection there. So a homeowner supplied the appliance, and countertops were installed by the granite guy. All we did is come in, and you can see the existing piping there. The 90, that's not ours, but we did shut the gas down and give them a new shutoff valve. It's 20 years old. It was probably still functioning fine, but it's easier just to replace it now, and as opposed to coming back when things start leaking. So brand new shutoff valve, then a 1/2 inch OD by 24 inch corrugated stainless steel supply line with coating on there, and up to the regulator. So we've already tested it out. All the burners work, and they're going to put together the rest of it while they're doing the remodel here. Over on this side, we installed a faucet. This is also provided by the homeowner, and it's a fixture. I can't remember the name or the number, model number of it, but that's straight. It's from the homeowner, fixture faucet, and then of course a little soap dispenser. So we installed that. The holes were cut by the granite guy, and we had a little trouble with it because the holes were not center. And I don't even know if I can get you a picture in there, but what we did is we just took some blocking, and let me see if I can, maybe without tipping it over, see up in there, we put some particle board in there. So the homeowner had some particle board, and there was just a conflict with the mounting system up there. They have large diameter holes, like 3-inch diameter holes in the sink, and then you drill your holes through the granite, and it didn't line up. So what was happening is the mounting brackets for the faucet itself and also for the soap dispenser were catching the edge of the granite, actually the sink, and it wasn't tightening down correctly. So anyways, we just put it's just 1.5 inches worth of build up there. We cut them to width, drilled holes through it, furred it out a little bit, and tied it in. No big deal. You know, it happens. So that's installed. That's our work. And then we did give you a new shutoff valve. So you got 2 hot lines, one on the top, one on the bottom. Top is for the faucet, bottom for the dishwasher. We gave you, there's a temporary braided stainless steel supply line over to a galvanized cap and nipple. It is off, so just leave it off. In the event it gets bumped or whatever, it's not going to go anywhere. So it's capped off. It's just a safety feature. You don't need that on there, but it's open, and, you know, what the heck. You know, it's maybe $10 worth of material sitting right there. So that's good. Cold, you can see it over there installed. So they're quarter turn shutoff valves, quarter turn on, quarter turn off, copper, you know, the netted 5/8. And so those are good. No dripping back there. Faucet's tied in. We've run plenty of water down it. No leaks at the sink, so that's good. And we did go ahead and cut the waste back to the wall and go to the tubular piping. So there's an adapter, a little tubular extension, tubular P-trap right here, right into this tubular telescoping disposal kit. So that's real nice because this piece right here, it telescopes in and out of that housing. It enables you to work on this disposal without dismantling everything over here. And then of course up to a tailpiece. So that basket strainer is ours as well. We supplied the basket strainer. There wasn't one on site, and we had one in our little bucket of tricks. So we put that guy in there. That's straight out of Ferguson. So that's good. Garbage disposal was supplied by the homeowner. I think they picked it up at Ferguson. I think it's the half horse Badger 5. So that's good. Plug is knocked out for your dishwasher guy when he comes to install the dishwasher. We packed one of these little adapters. We packed the end here from this side. We packed putty all the way in here because we needed to knock out this plug. And when you run water down here, you don't want water dripping out here. So it's packed full of putty. We run water. I don't see any leaking, but just monitor that. They do make little caps that you could try and put on there and put a clamp on there if you're more comfortable with that, but that's just something temporary so water's not flowing out of there and you can start using your sink. So garbage disposal's in, new waste, new basket strainer, new shutoff valves. The supply lines are integrated into the faucet, so that's good. Everything is done here for this portion of the project. The stove, the cooktop, the kitchen here, so now they got running water in here now. Outside of that, this installation is done.